Hey everyone, have you ever imagined creating a website could be as simple as, like ordering food online?
Yeah. Interesting.
That's what AI website builders are promising now.
Really?
Yeah, you just describe what you want and the AI does the rest. Content, images, the whole shebang.
Wow.
We're going to dive deep into a YouTube video by Philippe Parmentier. He actually builds websites in minutes
Yeah.
using AI and this platform called AI Maker.
AI maker.
Yeah, pretty cool. Yeah.
Yeah, it's fascinating how technology is, constantly evolving and becoming so accessible.
Right.
I mean, building a website used to be such a daunting task. You needed specialized skills, a big budget often.
Yeah.
AI website builders seem to be totally changing the game.
Yeah, and AI Maker is really interesting because they're known for hosting and WordPress,
Uh-huh.
but now they've jumped into this AI website building scene.
I see.
And in the video, Philippe shows how simple it is. You literally just tell the AI about your business and boom, it generates a complete website
Wow.
with content, images, even a color scheme.
Yeah. That's incredible. It almost sounds too good to be true.
Right.
Can you walk us through how these AI website builders actually work?
Okay. Yeah. So basically, the AI is trained on tons and tons of website data and content.
Okay.
So when you give it information about your business, what you do, your target audience, your style,
Mm-hmm.
it analyzes all that and pulls from its massive library of design elements, content templates, images to create a website that fits.
Oh, I see.
So it's kind of like having a virtual web designer working for you 24/7.
That makes a lot more sense. So instead of needing to know how to code or design principles, you can basically just have a conversation with the AI and let it handle all the technical stuff.
Exactly.
This could be a game changer for so many small businesses, entrepreneurs.
Yeah. Think about all the time and money you save. You don't have to hire a developer or designer.
Right.
And let's be honest, starting a website can feel really intimidating
Totally.
for a lot of people. AI website builders just take away that mental hurdle.
Yeah, they make it so much easier to get your ideas online.
Right.
It's like AI is democratizing website creation, giving anyone with a vision the power to bring it to life online.
Mm.
And it seems like AI Maker is really at the forefront of this movement with their platform and all those AI-powered features.
Absolutely. So Philippe actually uses AI Maker to create a bunch of different websites in the video.
Okay.
For example, he built a website for a CrossFit coach in Paris, complete with contact info, bio services offered.
Oh, very practical. I
Yeah,
think see how useful that would be for a personal trainer or someone like that. Just a simple way to showcase their expertise, attract new clients.
right. He also built this super minimalist e-commerce site to sell AI-themed merchandise like t-shirts and caps.
Cool.
And AI Maker made it really easy to integrate payment processing through PayPal and Stripe.
So you could essentially go from idea to selling products online in just a few minutes.
Yeah, it's remarkable.
It is.
And there's more. So Philippe wanted to show how AI Maker could really help anyone, even someone without, any tech skills.
Okay.
So he called up his friend Alexandre, who owns an African restaurant.
hmm
And together they created a website called rayodis.com,
Okay.
all in real time while they were on the phone.
Wow, that's a great example. I bet for someone like Alexandre who's busy running his restaurant, the idea of building a website might have seemed really overwhelming before.
Oh, yeah,
But AI Maker made it possible for him to do it easily and quickly.
exactly. He just provided his logos, some photos of the restaurant, and, a brief description of what they offer.
hmm
And with that, AI Maker did its magic and generated a website that they could then customize together.
It's incredible how much AI can do with just a little bit of information.
Right.
I bet AI Maker offers a lot of ways to personalize the design and content, though,
Yeah,
right?
definitely.
You wouldn't want every website to look exactly the same.
Of course. They have this really cool drag and drop interface that lets you tweak the templates,
Okay.
add new sections, change the colors, fonts, images, you name it.
So you have the freedom to create a unique website that reflects your brand.
Exactly.
It seems like simplicity and accessibility are at the heart of AI Maker's approach.
Yeah, I think so.
What about the content itself? Does Philippe mention how AI Maker helps with writing the website copy?
Oh, yeah, totally. AI Maker's got you covered there, too.
Mm-hmm.
It has this AI-powered content generation feature.
Okay.
It can create text for different sections of your website, like the About Us page service descriptions, even blog posts.
Wow.
You give the AI specific instructions like the tone of voice you want, the length of the text, even keywords you want to include.
That's amazing. It's like having a virtual copywriter.
Right.
That could be a huge time saver for people who, aren't really good at writing or don't know what to say.
Totally. And, we all know how important it is for websites to be optimized for search engines like Google.
Yeah.
AI Maker has built-in SEO features that help with that, making sure your website has a better chance of showing up in search results.
Oh, that's smart.
You can edit meta descriptions, page titles, image alt tags, all those little things that matter
Yeah.
for SEO.
So it's not just about creating a visually appealing website. AI Maker also helps you make it functional and easy to find.
Right.
It sounds like a really comprehensive solution for anyone who wants to establish like a strong online presence.
It is. And speaking of optimizing for search engines, there's this whole other level to it now with the rise of AI-powered search engines like ChatGPT and Alexa.
Oh, yeah.
It's called Ask Engine Optimization, or AEO.
AEO. Have you heard of that?
Yeah, have you?
Absolutely. AEO is a total game changer. It's shifting the focus from the old way of doing things like keyword stuffing to actually providing direct answers to users' questions in a more conversational way.
Oh, interesting.
Think of it like this. You're no longer trying to like trick Google into ranking your website higher.
Right.
You're focusing on creating content that really answers what people are actually searching for,
Mhm.
especially in those AI-powered search engines.
That's a good point. It makes sense that as people use more natural language to search online, website content needs to adapt.
Exactly.
So instead of just optimizing for specific keywords, you're optimizing for like a whole question or a concept.
Right. And AI Maker actually offers this membership program called aimaker.fr
Oh, wow.
that provides training and tools specifically for AEO.
Okay.
They even have this cool AI-powered AEO proposal generator.
Wow. That's impressive. It sounds like AI Maker's really ahead of the curve when it comes to AEO.
I think so.
It's great that they're providing resources to help people navigate this new world of search engine optimization.
Yeah, definitely highlights their commitment to making website creation and online success accessible to everyone.
Totally. So for anyone out there who's feeling inspired to finally launch that website,
Yeah.
AI Maker offers a pretty amazing opportunity. You can actually create a website in under an hour by either filling out an online form or even giving them a call,
Wow, so easy. No more excuses for putting off building that website you've always dreamed of.
right? And speaking of AI Maker and all its amazing features, there's still so much to explore. We'll be diving deeper into all that in the next part of our deep dive.
Okay.
We'll look at more real-world examples of websites built with AI Maker, analyze more case studies.
Okay.
We'll even discuss some of the emerging trends in web design that are being shaped by AI.
I'm excited to continue the exploration. In the meantime, I want to encourage you to think about how AI could empower your own online presence. What kind of website could you create?
Yeah.
What dreams could you bring to life online? Hashtag TTS, the deep dive episode 2024-1206, part 2 of 3.
Welcome back to our deep dive into AI website creation. In the last part, we saw how AI Maker is making it easier than ever to build a website, but it goes beyond like basic websites. Did you know you can even generate images with AI?
Yeah, that blew me away too. It's like having a graphic designer on call, even if you can barely draw a stick figure.
Right.
Philippe shows how you can describe an image and the AI will create it for you.
It's amazing. And AI Maker gives you a ton of styles and options to customize the images. Oh, wow.
So they fit perfectly with the look and feel of your website. Philippe mentioned that creating images was actually the most time-consuming part of building his friend Alexandra's website.
Oh, really?
But he said the results were totally worth it.
Yeah, images are so important.
Absolutely. They grab your attention, they make the website look more professional, they help tell the story of your business.
Mm-hmm.
And speaking of storytelling, Philippe showcased a few other websites he built with AI Maker, besides the CrossFit Coach's website and the AI merchandise store.
Oh,
Remember how he helped his friend Alexandra create a website for his African restaurant?
yeah?
Well, he also built a website for a nonprofit organization that focuses on environmental protection.
Oh, that's interesting. I wouldn't have thought of using an AI website builder for a nonprofit. How did AI Maker handle that?
Well, AI Maker actually has a range of templates specifically designed for different types organizations, including
Yeah.
nonprofits. These templates usually include sections for describing the organization's mission, showcasing their projects, and even making it easy for people to donate online.
So it's not just for businesses looking to sell products or services. It's also a powerful tool for organizations that are trying to make a difference in the world.
Exactly. Like AI is democratizing not just e-commerce, but also, advocacy and social change.
Hmm.
It's giving a voice to organizations that might not have the resources to hire, web developers or designers.
I love that. It's
Yeah.
so inspiring to see how technology can be used for good.
Yeah.
So shifting gears a bit, what about like the overall design trends we're seeing in websites today? Did Philippe touch on that at all in the video?
He did. He emphasized the importance of minimalism and simplicity in modern web design. He pointed out that websites crammed with information and distracting visuals tend to overwhelm visitors and make it harder for them to find what they're looking for.
Yeah, that makes sense. I mean, we're all constantly bombarded with information online.
Right.
A clean, uncluttered website can be like a breath of fresh air.
Totally. The trend is moving towards websites that are intuitive, easy to navigate, and visually appealing without being too much.
Right.
The focus is really shifting towards highlighting the content and making it the star of the show.
It's like the Marie Kondo approach to web design,
Hmm.
sparking joy through simplicity and clarity. And it seems like AI Maker, with its emphasis on user-friendly templates and customization options, is really well suited to help people create websites that align with these modern design principles.
Absolutely. And, we can't forget the importance of personalization.
Mhm.
AI Maker allows users to tweak those templates to fit their own specific needs and branding, ensuring that each website has its own unique personality.
It's like AI Maker is giving you the building blocks and tools to create your own digital home rather than just handing you like a cookie cutter prefabricated house that doesn't quite feel like yours.
I love that analogy, and I think it captures the essence of what AI Maker is doing. It's giving you that creative control without all the technical complexity. Philippe really drove this point home throughout the video. He believes that democratizing web creation means empowering people to express their creativity online without being held back by, technical limitations.
And with AI constantly evolving, we can only expect this trend to continue.
Right.
We'll probably see even more powerful and intuitive tools that make website creation accessible to everyone.
Yeah, I completely agree. And as AI becomes more sophisticated, it's going to open up all sorts of exciting possibilities for web design. Imagine being able to virtually walk through a hotel before booking a room,
Oh, cool.
or trying on clothes virtually before you buy them online.
That would be awesome. It's like bringing the physical shopping experience into the digital world.
Exactly. And AI will be key to making these immersive experiences a reality. It can help create those realistic 3D models, personalize the user experience, and analyze data to continually improve the interaction.
Wow. It sounds like the future of web design is going to be incredibly dynamic and creative thanks to AI. So as we wrap up this part of our deep dive, we have a question for you, our listener.
Yeah.
How do you envision AI transforming the way we interact with the web in the coming years?
Yeah, what kind of websites do you think we'll be able to create with the help of AI? We encourage you to share your thoughts and ideas in the comments. And don't miss the final part of our deep dive, where we'll explore the ethical considerations of AI in web design and discuss the essential skills you'll need to thrive in this rapidly evolving landscape. Hashtag TTS, the deep dive episode 2024-1206, part 3 of 3.
So we've seen how AI is making website creation faster, easier, more accessible. But, let's step back for a second and think about the bigger picture here. What happens when AI gets really good at building websites? What does that mean for all the humans out there who, do this for a living?
That's a really important question. In the video, Philippe actually brings up this concern. Some people are worried that AI will just replace web designers and developers altogether.
Yeah. It's understandable, right? If anyone can build a website with AI, what happens to the people who've spent years honing their skills in, web design and development?
I think it's not really about replacement, it's more about transformation. AI is going to change the way we work, just like computers and the internet did before.
Right.
So instead of seeing AI as this threat, web professionals can actually use it to their advantage.
Mm.
Imagine automating all those tedious, repetitive tasks and freeing up more time to focus on the really creative and strategic parts of web design.
Yeah, instead of spending hours coding a basic layout, you could use AI to generate the framework
Right.
and then use your expertise to customize it, add those personal touches, really make sure it reflects the client's vision.
Exactly. AI becomes like a super powerful tool in your toolbox, not a replacement for your skills and your creativity. It's like having a super efficient assistant who handles all the grunt work so you can focus on that high level stuff that requires, human ingenuity.
And maybe this shift will even lead to the creation of entirely new job roles that we can't even imagine right now.
Right.
The world of web design is always evolving.
Yeah.
I mean, remember when Flash websites were like all the rage?
Oh, yeah.
Things change. And AI is just another wave of change that we need to learn to surf.
Totally. Web professionals who embrace AI and, develop those skills to work alongside it will be the ones who thrive in this new landscape. It's
Yeah.
all about adaptability and lifelong learning.
Absolutely. So speaking of skills, what kind of abilities do you think will be essential for web designers and developers in this, age of AI?
Well, for sure, being able to work effectively with AI is going to be key.
Mm.
Like understanding its capabilities, knowing how to give it the right instructions, being able to interpret its output.
Yeah, it's like learning to speak a new language, the
Exactly.
language of AI.
Web professionals need to be bilingual, so to speak, able to communicate their ideas to humans and to machines.
Yeah.
And the ability to analyze data, I think, will become more and more important.
Mm.
AI can give us mountains of information about a user behavior. And it's really up to us, the humans, to make sense of it all and use it to improve the website's design and functionality.
So it's not just about designing a website that looks good anymore.
Right.
It's about designing a website that actually performs well, that meets the client's goals, and provides, a seamless and engaging experience for the user.
I think you hit the nail on the head. We need to blend that creative intuition with data-driven insights.
Yeah. And of course, being comfortable with constant change
Yes.
and, having that thirst for knowledge will always be essential. The world of tech moves so fast.
Mm-hmm.
Web professionals need to be agile, adaptable, always eager to learn new things and keep their skills sharp.
Couldn't agree more.
It's an exciting time to be in the field of web design, even with all the unknowns that AI brings. We're on the edge of this major technological shift, and it's really up to us to shape how AI is used to create a better digital world.
I love that. It's about using this technology responsibly, ethically, and creatively to build a more inclusive, accessible, and meaningful online experience for everyone.
Absolutely. Well, on that note, we wrap up our deep dive into the world of AI website creation. We hope you learned some valuable insights, sparked some new ideas, and are feeling inspired to explore the potential of AI in your own digital life.
Yeah, thanks for joining us. Until next time.